Let's talk about the latest launched HONO smartphone 90 Smart. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.8 inches Full HD Plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 850 nits brightness, approximately 390 ppi pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera, for selfies. It has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 7.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable via microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.7 by 76.5 by 8.24 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams, and the color options midnight black, emerald green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5330 mAh battery with 35-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The HONO 90 Smart has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €250 in France, and around $270, 74,999 Pakistani rupees, and 22,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this HONO 90 Smart smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.